How's it going? My name's John. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Rode VideoMicro microphone for DSLR cameras, or if you have the adapter, you can use it for iPhones, phones, and stuff like that. So yeah, from what I've seen, if you want to use it for GoPros and stuff like that, you just have to have the mod that goes for it, so that way you can hook it up. Anything that has a headphone jack / microphone jack, you should be able to use this microphone for. But I'm going to be reviewing it on a Canon EOS RP today, just so you can see what it sounds like on there. And I'll do with microphone and without microphone comparisons, so that way you can see the difference between the two. If the camera is a little wobbly all over the place, it's because I'm going around the camera so you can hear what it sounds like from every angle. And this one is used mainly for whatever's in front of the camera. So keep that in mind whenever you're picking up this microphone, if that's what you're looking for. So this is test number 1 from the front with the microphone connected. So this is from the front without the microphone connected. This is from the side with the microphone. Test 1, 2. From the right side, no microphone connected. Test 1, 2. This is from the left side with the microphone. Test 1, 2. From the left side, microphone not connected. Test 1, 2. This is from behind with the microphone. Test 1, 2. And from the back, microphone not connected. Test 1, 2. Sorry, it is very hot out here today, and I really don't have anywhere to get quiet enough that we can use the microphone properly, so I had to come in here. In my opinion, this is a great microphone, especially for a starter microphone, so you can see if this is something that you want to invest heavily into. It definitely changes the quality of the videos that you're making or the audio that you're getting. Because I know for me, I was having issues because I was running the 24-105 Canon lens, and it was making a lot of noise because of the image stabilization in it. So putting this on the camera definitely made a world of difference, because you can't hear it trying to correct itself all the time. It's definitely a big upgrade for me, and for $60 it's really not that bad. It does come with the dead cat, the windsock on it. I've used it quite a bit actually, because in Texas it was very windy and I had a lot of issues with that. This has helped a lot. It does tend to droop down if you have that issue. The little cable that comes out the back, just make sure you stick that in the back of the little screw down thing. Makes it a lot easier. It actually pulls it back up. Just put some tension in there. You should be good to go. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video. I put a lot of work into these, and I've been doing a lot of traveling, me and my fiance. Appreciate it if you check out some of our other videos. Maybe subscribe so you can see whenever we upload more. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching. Have a good one.